Hi guys, Greg Howe here, S9 Radio. Got a fun old vintage Turner Plus 2 transistorized desk mic with no audio. Checking the basics such as the mic cord, connections to the microphone plug. I've cleaned all that up, making sure that was copacetic. Also did the same thing with the push-to-talk wiring in the base of the desk microphone. And while at it, I burnished the microphone push-to-talk contacts with some 2000 grit ultrafine sandpaper. Didn't fix the problem, still no audio. So moving up to the crystal microphone element, it is completely normal, by the way, is to have a small perforation in the foil for breathing. I was kind of surprised to see just a single transistor preamp. My mobile M+2 mic of the early 70s I had as a kid employed a 2-transistor design. Well, it turns out Turner hasn't deviated much. There are indeed 2 transistors just packaged inside this one Darlington transistor. So anyways, the next thought was perhaps the mic gain control, the potentiometer had worn itself out over 45 years of usage. I bypassed that with some fixed value resistors. Still no audio. So the next thing I checked was this 5 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, and voila, that was the problem, shorted. I replaced it with 2 small 10 microfarad capacitors in series, which equals 5 microfarad by the ways, and we've now got the wonderful, sharp, articulate audio these Turner Plus 2 sidebands were known for. So another vintage microphone back on air where it belongs. So anyways, you guys, after checking the obvious, your microphone connections, wiring, burnishing your push-to-talk contacts, if that doesn't fix your no audio, there's a darn good chance this small 5 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic will. And if you don't have a 5, throw a 4.7, a 6.8, even a 1 or a 10 will work. Trust me. All right, till next time, Greg Howe, S9 Radio, signing off, 73.